Hello everyone, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Today we're going to focus on doing a cardio right here on the chair. So anytime you need a break, please have water and join us again. Are you ready? Let's go. March it out. Keep your chest as high as you can. That's it. Let's go. And tap your toes. Yeah. And heels in front. Let's go. Let's go back and march. And press your arms in front. Press, press, press. Keep a slightly bent elbow right here. Let's go. In 4, 3, and 2. We're going to do the same thing. Let's reach. Let's go up and down, up and down. I'm going a little bit slower here for the shoulders to avoid injury. 4, in 3, and 2. That's it. And release and march. Let's go. In 4, 3, 2. Arms by your side. Biceps. Let's go up and down and up and down. Again and up and down and up. Last one. Let's go. Up. Good. Now keep it back. Let's go lift. And again. In 4. In 3. And 2. And last one. Let's go. March it out. Swing your arms. Press your arms both front. Come back. In front and back. Again. For 4, 3, and 2. Let's do the same thing and up. Let's go up and down. Up and down. Let's go. 4 more. In 4, 3, and 2. Let's go back to the march. Swing your arms. We're going to point again in front. Point, point, point. Swing your arms. Let's go. In 4, 3, and 2. Try to go a little bit higher with your arms, side to side. Again, just listen to your shoulders. And let's go heels in front. And bring your arms up and down. Up and down. Again, up and down. In 4. Let's go for 3. And 2. 1.5. Last one. Good. And march. If you want to run, go for it. Quick. Quick. Listen to your knees. 4, 3, 2. And release and march. Open your legs. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Come back narrow right here. Open. Narrow. Again open. And narrow. 4, 3, 2. Open for 4. Let's go all close. And open. Narrow. And open. Again. Now let's go for 2. Ready? Close, narrow. Close and narrow. That's it. Again for 4, 3, and 2. That's it. And let's come back right here. Swing your arms a little bit quicker. In 4, 3, and 2. Let's press in front of your heels. Opposite arm, press. And let's reach. Up, up, up. That's it. Let's come back again in front. Let's go. And let's reach. 4, 3, 2. Come back in front for 4. 4, 3, 2. And let's reach. Last time, come front. 4, 3, 2. 2, and let's reach. 4, 3, 2, and march. We're gonna bring your arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Again, up. Exhale. And one more time up to inhale. Good job. And release and march. 4, 3, 2. Again, open your legs. And narrow. Open. And narrow. Open. 4, 3, 2. Narrow for 4. Open. Narrow. Open. Narrow. One more time. Open. And narrow. Now let's go for 2. Open. Narrow, narrow. Open, open, narrow, narrow. That's it. Again. For 4, 3, 2. Good. And again. Quick, 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 quick. 4, 3, 2. That's it. And release. Heels in front. Opposite arm in front. And let's reach. Both arms in front. Let's go. In 4, 3, 2. Let's go up. Little movement. Little. Up. Up. That's it. Let's go back in front. In 4, 3, 2. Let's go up. Same thing. Little movement. In 4, 3, 2. And open your arms this side right here. Little circles. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Tap your toes. Tap your toes. I should say tap your heels. And reverse your arms. Backwards. That's it. Feel the work in your shoulders. And release. March. And swing your arms. Tap your toes and cross. Tap. Cross. Tap and cross. In 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Let's do the same thing with your heels. Heels and cross. Heels and cross. That's it. Come on. In 4, 3, 2, and let's go march. And press in front, one arm. Come back, press, and back. That's it. Again, for 4, 3, 2. Are you ready? Pump it up, let's go. Pump, and back. Pump, and back. And quicker, let's go. Up, up. In 4, 3, 2. And release and march. So I'm not going to do that when we're going to go up. Let's go up. 1 and down. Up and down. That's the safest way to do it for your shoulders. In 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Both arms together. Up and down. Up and down. That's it. 4, 3, and 2. And last one. And again, jog. Open your legs. 4, 3, 2. Narrow. Let's go. In 4, 3, 2. Open your legs. Let's go. And narrow. Again, open. And narrow. And open. 4, 3, 2. Narrow for 4. Open. 4, 3, 2. Narrow. Again, open. And narrow. Open. And narrow. And march slower. Let's go up. Exhale. Are we feeling warmer? Again, up. That's it. And up. We're gonna cross in front. Ready? Cross and back, cross and back. That's it. In 4, 3, 2. We're going to do the same thing. Let's reach up to the side and up to the side. 4, 3, 2. We're going to do the same thing. Let's go down and cross, cross, come back, cross and back. So try to do a little twist as well in your upper body. And let's go reach up and back, up and back with a little twist. In 4, 3, and 2. That's it. And release and march. Press in front, heels in front, opposite arm, then your leg. Let's go reach up, up. Listen to your shoulders. 4, 3, 2. Again, press in front. Let's go. Give your shoulders back. 4, 3, 2. Let's go reach. In 4, 3, 2. Front. In 4, 3, 2. And reach. 4, 3, 2. Front for 4, 4, 3, 2. And reach. 4, 3, 2. And march. Good job. How are we feeling? Warm? Good. And let's slow down the step. Inhale. Exhale. And again, up to inhale. Exhale. Few more times. Up. Exhale. One more time. Up to inhale. And exhale to release. Voila. I hope you have enjoyed, guys. Now you should be warm and you can start any exercise program. So leave me comments right here below and give me some ideas what you would like to see next, and see you very soon.